Stop avoiding the things you know you need to be doing. How about we go and beat procrastination? Hi, Tony Meredith's my name, and I'm a property coach who helps people take enormous actions in their property journey. What I've gone and done is I've gone and created a playbook that steps out all the things that you can do to beat procrastination, take enormous action, and take you one step closer to your property success. So why don't you click on the link below, download the worksheet, follow along, and I know you'll be successful.